Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and to realize you are creative abundance. So today, I want you to play a game with me, a short writing exercise, if you will. Grab your journal or your laptop or whatever it is you like to write on, and let's do, if you indulge me, let's do a little exercise. It's very simple writing exercise, but fun. So this is it. What's in this box? Interesting. What could it be? Size, shape. What's in the box? What could be in here? I want you to write right now for a few minutes and tell me what you think is in this box. Give it a history. Describe it. How did it get in the box? What is it doing in here? And just pause this video for a moment. Write down what is in the box. Again, describing it. Give it some history. How it got in here. What it's doing in here. What it looks like. Where it came from. And when you're done, you can come back, unpause the video, and we'll see if you could guess what is in the box. So, welcome back. I am assuming that you wrote. Perhaps you are going to write later, but I hope that you wrote. And let's see what's in the box. Let's see if you guessed it right. But before that, I'd love to know what you wrote. I'd love to see what you think is in the box. And you could do that by putting it in the comments, sending me a comment, or send me a message. I'm curious. I'd love to know what you imagined was in here. So now let's see what's in the box. Wow. Nothing. Nothing is in the box. Nothing. Wait. I hope you don't think I tricked you. I hope you don't think I tricked you. That wasn't my intention. There is a point to this. And the point is that there's always something in the box. I assume that all of you were able to write something down, to imagine something, to create something. There's always something in the box because we have that ability to put something in it, to imagine. In reality, there is then anything or everything in the box. Because we can conjure everything and everything. We can dream anything there in the box. And this is a remarkable ability that we have. We all have it. We have this immense power of imagination, immense ability to create out of nothingness. From what is within us, we just can do it. And guess what? A page is a box. A blank canvas is a box. Your life is a box. You can find anything and everything inside that blank page, inside that empty canvas, inside your life. But we don't. And sometimes we just don't. We aren't able to conjure anything because we don't let ourselves. And I think that's what it really boils down to, is the allowance, the permission to just allow ourselves to create, to generate, to imagine. So the next time that you write, the next time you sit down to write, maybe ask yourself the question, what's in the box? What's on this blank page? What's inside of me today? And then just delight in discovering what comes. Delight in discovering what is revealed through you about, oh wow, look at this, what's on the page. Look at this, what's on the canvas. I did not expect this. Delight in just discovering what you come up with. Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? What a curious, wonderful, strangely unique thing is born of us at any moment that we allow it. And born it as well, born in what we carry with us. We are curious, wonderful, strangely unique beings, each of us. Each of us is curious, wonderful, and strangely unique in our way. There can be anything, everything inside the box, inside the blank page, inside of you at any given moment. And it could be conjured in your life too. This is the mysterious, magical, creative power that each of us has to imagine, to give birth to forms that were not there before we applied ourselves to it, before we allowed them to be. So, this is the practice. To show up to the page, to show up at the canvas, to show up in the silence, to show up in our lives, and allow ourselves to create all the possible things that can be created, to dream what is inside the box, what is inside this emptiness. I can fill it with whatever I would like to fill it with, and to do that, to allow yourself to do that, the unlimited possibility of what could be in this box. So try that. Try it today. I hope you did. Try it the next time you sit down to write, which I hope will be soon, which I hope will be tomorrow or today. Give yourself the opportunity to write and discover what is inside of you. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please subscribe. Please like it. Please share it with a friend who you think could benefit from it. That would be wonderful. I love to spread the word. I love to help people cultivate a writing practice, to discover this beautiful creativity that is inside of each of us. One more thing. If you want to learn about more of my workshops, retreats, and residencies that I offer, you can go to devotiontowriting.com. And also go to Instagram and Facebook. You can follow @devotiontowriting there. I often announce upcoming workshops, retreats, and residencies there. So again, thank you very much. Please write today. I know that if you write, you will write deeply. I know you will write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are. Blessings.